Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PBS on Apple TV step by step clearly. To activate PBS on your Apple TV, first, turn on your Apple TV. Navigate to the App Store on your home screen. In the App Store, use the search function to find the PBS app. Once you locate the PBS app, select it to open the details page. Click on the Get button to download and install the app. After the installation is complete, open the PBS app from your home screen. You will see a welcome screen with information about the app. Select Activate your device to begin the activation process. A unique activation code will be displayed on your screen. Using your smartphone or computer, open a web browser. Type in the URL pbs.org/activate in the address bar. Once the PBS activation page loads, enter the activation code displayed on your Apple TV. Click on the Submit button to proceed. If prompted, sign in with your PBS account credentials or create a new account. After successfully signing in, return to your Apple TV. The PBS app will refresh automatically, and you should see a confirmation message. You are now ready to explore and enjoy PBS content on your Apple TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.